Number 38, factor the expression completely, and we've been given 5x squared, y cubed minus 15x cubed, y plus 10xy squared. So let's go ahead and factor out the GCF here. And we're going to take it step by step. We're going to look for the GCF for the coefficients first, then the x's, then the y's. So here we have a 5, 15, and 10. So we can go ahead and take out a 5. And when we look at our x's, we have x squared, x cubed, and x to the first. Remember, when you're taking your GCF out for your variable, you can only take out the smallest exponent, meaning here we have a 2, we have a 3, and we have a 1, so we can only take out a single x as part of our GCF. And then when we take out our GCF for the y's, we have y cubed, y to the first, y squared. So again, we can only take out the smallest number of exponents. The smallest number in this case is 1, so we take out a single y. Well, what's left over after we take out our GCF? What's going to be inside this set of parentheses? Well, to find out what's left, all we have to do is divide each term now by what we are claiming to be the GCF. So I like to write my GCF under each term of the original expression here to see what's left over. So we can see that, well, 5 and 5 cancel. We have x squared divided by x, and again, we're top heavy by 1, so we'll have a single x left. Here we have y cubed over y. Again, we're top heavy, this time by 2, so we'll have y squared. And now this first term is done. We have negative 15 divided by positive 5. That gives us a minus 3. We have x cubed over x. We're top heavy by 2. And y over y, well, these cancel, so we don't have any y's in this second term. Lastly, we have a positive 10 divided by 5. Well, that gives us a plus 2. We have x over x. Those go away, so no x's remain. And finally, y squared over y. We're top heavy by 1, and so we are top heavy, so we have that single y to the first left over. And there it is, number 38. We end up with 5xy times the quantity xy squared minus 3x squared plus 2y.